This right here is that underscore cuber, okay, and I know I didn't really set a subscriber goal for a face reveal, but I just didn't want to, so I was like, screw it. But anyways, this video, there's not really like any concept to it. I will just have two things to address with you guys. So firstly is an apology for me not uploading for almost 2 months, and well, it's a very long story, but after uploading my short, The Real Consistency, for 4 days, I was thinking of an idea, and then my network stopped working, and then I had to go to my village, and then I came back, but my network still wasn't working. So then I went to my village again, and then I came back again, and my network was working. But by that point, I hadn't uploaded in like so long. I just didn't want to upload. I didn't have any momentum or anything. So that happened, but now I am back. I have my momentum, and I apologize. Now, that's just kind of an apology for the intro, but the second thing is the main part of this video. Some suspense. So, that underscore cuber now has a Discord server. I expected that to be a lot more exciting, but it works how it is. So, firstly, join the server right now. It as of now it only has like 12 members, but because I promoted it a bit on Discord too. But right now join it because we're gonna do a lot of fun stuff with the server, and I have a lot of ideas for future videos. So we're gonna be doing things like challenges, and who knows, at some point when this channel is big enough, giveaways. And one thing that I already have planned out fully is an online competition. So I'm gonna host like a WCS style competition, and everything is going to be epic. So join right now. Plus, if you join earlier on, then that's just like better, because there's gonna be less people, meaning a higher chance of you getting chosen for a video. Because let's say in the future I'm still doing ideas with the server like 1-2 years later. By that time the server is gonna be so big that I'm not gonna be able to include the whole server in videos. So I'm gonna have to like pick a certain limit of people and then select people. So there's gonna be a less chance of you getting included in videos. But yeah, there's a Discord server. Join right now. There's gonna be like, you can share memes, you can set cubing goals, you can help each other out. There's everything. And even if you don't want to talk about cubing, like even if you're not a cuber, then you can just still join, because there is a general chat. You can have just talk about anything like gaming or whatever you're interested in, and get a cubing journey alongside the server. So you can learn how to solve the cube. You can become a good cuber as the server progresses. You can have a good cubing journey with the server. So that is all I have to say, and that's it. See you in the next one, and I will be uploading consistently now, and there will be more videos, not just edits. See you.